Rights and responsibilities. Speak up. In this lesson, you will learn that we have rights. But having rights also mean that we have responsibilities. We have the right to do many things, but we have to also have the responsibility to consider others when we using our rights. So I'm going to go over the chart that's on the screen. It has two columns. The first column has I have the right to, and the second column says, but I have the responsibility to. I have the right to make life choices for myself, but I have the responsibility to learn my rights and understand the consequences of my choices. I have the right to lead my IEP meetings, but I have the responsibility to speak up to say my wants and needs. I have the right to have a transition plan, but I have the responsibility to speak up to tell people my goals and dreams. I have the right to set my own goals, but I have the responsibility to work hard to reach my goals. So let's review some of our topic words. So remember we talked about rights. So a right is defined as something that is fair and is often supported by the law. An example of a right is self-advocacy. We all have the right to speak up for what we want or need, the right to have an IEP meeting. Responsibility is defined as a duty or a task that you are required or expected to do. A responsibility could be you're working at a job and your job is to take out the trash.